Mozzies have come out. I had to put the trackies on. I don't know if you can see. And yeah, that way better. See? Get a bit warm. It's got bitten by something on the foot before. I think it was a marchy kind of thing. Hopefully my foot doesn't swell up like my hand did last time. But yeah, if the mozzies get bad, I'll be straight up in there going to bed early. But, oh, check out the sunset. Nothing spectacular, but it's still nice. Still looks good. You still hear the waves crashing out there. Oh, that sting's getting worse. I'll put some stuff on it in a minute. But, yeah, I'm not going to do much tonight. I'm just going to chill. So, my lights are all flashing. I don't know why. I'll have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what that means. Something's wrong. Don't know. We'll find out. I'll see what my battery's at the moment. Uh, 92%. It's fine. Don't know why 5 flashes. I don't have any reception, so I can't find out. To wait till tomorrow. But on that note, I'm going to say good night. Because I don't think I'll be out long, because I can feel them flying around. I can hear them. So I'll see you guys all in the morning. But check this out. Beautiful. Good morning. Oh, a little bit fresh, a bit cooler. Oh, but magic morning. A couple of boats rocked. A couple of people rocked up. I don't know if you can see. Sun's on them now, but they rocked up. Launched their boats early this morning. Didn't even hear them. But, oh, what a morning. Beautiful. Oh, I think I'll have a coffee, but Fair bit of mildew around over the car. Sun will dry it out. Kettle is boiled, yes. Oh, nice. Just what the doctor ordered. No doctor out here, but definitely tell summer's over. It's getting cooler in the mornings. Cheers. Magic morning. Only problem with the black dirt though is when it's wet, it goes everywhere. Look at my footprints. And my feet. I think I might go for a walk over the other side. Put some shorts on. Go for a morning walk. Suss it all out. Don't know. How nice is this? I'd like to say I'm the only one here, but I'm not right now. But they're out there somewhere. Fishing. Good on them. Probably catch a lot more than what I do. Oh morning, I might go climb over there. Have a look-see. Tide is lower compared to yesterday when I come in, but yeah, don't think I'll see anything different, but we'll have a look. So nice. I'm right over there, as you can probably see. I don't know. But yeah. Magic little spot. Look at the water. I don't know if you can see, but it's like crystal clear. Sorry, I just jumped down. I was a bit worried I was going to slip. But look at that. Magic. Sun's warming up nicely, which is good. So it's going to be a beautiful day. But for me, I think I might have to pack up soon and hit the road, head off to the next spot. But it's going to be a hard spot to leave. Look at that, crystal clear, but no fish. I don't know where the fish are. They must be somewhere else where it's tropical and nice. Oh well. Well, I'll make my way back. I'll see you back at the car. I might sit here for a bit first though. Just enjoy. Nice walk that was. Fishermen coming back. Couple of them. A little tinny. See them coming in over there. See out there. I think they might have been grabbing pots. Not too sure. But I don't know. They weren't out there long. About an hour and a half. Might have to go to work. But they're fully like rugged up. Must be rough out there. This is so nice. What to do? Rooftop's dried. I could pack up and go for a cruise, or I could just chill for a while. I think I might chill for a while. Yep, that time. Back the rooftop up. Don't want to leave. But I've got a gut feeling today it's going to get busy here, and I don't like the crowds. As you can tell, I like to be by myself, chilling and enjoying. Just got a feeling this is spot's close to a town, kind of. And when I come in yesterday, there was a few cars leaving, so I've got a funny feeling today's going to be a bit warmer. It's going to attract a few more people, and because it's beautiful conditions. It's not choppy at all. So let's pack up first. All done. That simple to pack up this thing. It's just too easy. That water's looking nicer and nicer as the morning goes on. It seems like it's getting clearer and clearer. Obviously it's to do with the sun rising. But yeah, oh, what a spot. Well, I think that's it to this trip. Thanks for joining us. Coming along. I hope me getting out there and seeing these places is keeping you entertained at least. I'm still not telling you where they are. But yeah, it's too good. I got to get out of here. I'll never leave. You think you've packed everything, but you haven't. Washing.